Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious hummus pita bread. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, rinsed well, along with 1/4 cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 clove of garlic. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of good olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to achieve the perfect consistency. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's blend. Add the drained chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and minced garlic to your food processor. Pulse until the mixture starts to break down, then continue processing until it becomes smooth and creamy. Remember to stop and scrape down the sides of the bowl a few times to ensure everything is incorporated. Finally, slowly drizzle in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and half a teaspoon of salt while the processor is running. With your hummus ready, it's time to prepare the pita bread. You can warm pita bread in a dry skillet over medium heat for about 30 seconds per side until it's soft and slightly puffed. Another quick option is to microwave it for 15 to 20 seconds. Once warm, cut the pita into wedges. Arrange the warm pita alongside your freshly made hummus, perhaps with an extra drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika for a beautiful presentation. Your homemade hummus and warm pita bread are now ready to be enjoyed. Garnish your delicious creation with a sprinkle of paprika and some fresh chopped parsley for a vibrant touch. You can also add a few whole chickpeas or a dash of sumac for extra flavor and texture. This simple, fresh meal is perfect for a snack or a light lunch. Don't forget to check the description below for links to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.